resistance to some of the simple things that I'm looking for. And if this person's not willing or able to do it, even if I let them on my team, they're still not the person I'm looking for yet. So in my mind, I'm already looking for the right person through them until they're ready to be that person. So there's a posture there. There's a posture there. And it keeps me in activity. It keeps me from getting delusional, just thinking that everybody that comes on board is a fit for me. It keeps me moving, sorting. Okay. So another piece is I'm looking for somebody who wants to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month consistently, and they're ready to do it not now, but right now. They're ready to run not now, but right now. I'm willing to sort through 100+ people fast to find the 3 who are ready to run to executive director and above right now, making $5,000 to $10,000 a month. I'm willing to sort fast. So let's tie these pieces together. So